If you want to add widgets to home screen on Realme Note 70T, then we have two main ways to do so. You can press and hold your finger on a blank area in the home screen, and then once you are in this editing section, you can go to widgets at the bottom. Then you will see the list of apps and their widgets. So for example, we can go to calendar, and then we can add one of these widgets. So let's say I'm going to try to add this one, and you can tap on this widget in order to find the add button, so then the widget will be added to the first available space, or you can press and hold your finger in order to decide by yourself where it should be dropped. And of course, we can also go to different pages as well. And there we go. Another way to add a widget is by pressing and holding your finger on the app. So let's say I'm going to press and hold my finger on Spotify, and now as you can see over here we have widgets, so we will immediately see Spotify widgets. So now I can press and hold my finger again and drop it somewhere. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.